Hello everyone, today's recipe, sweet potato balls. First, peel the boiled sweet potato and smash it. Then add the sugar, unsalted butter, soy milk, or you can just add fresh milk, and mix it well all together. I just add 1 tablespoon of sugar because the sweet potato are really sweet. If it's not that sweet, add 1 more tablespoon of sugar. Cut the cheddar cheese in small pieces. Make a ball, flat it. Add cheese in the middle and form a ball again. I made 14 balls all in all. Dip the balls in frying mix powder, egg, and then bread crumbs. Test if the cooking oil is ready by putting a little bit of mixture sweet potato. If it go up fast, it's ready. Fry the balls for 3 minutes or until the color turn golden brown in a medium heat. Enjoy! That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye!